Run, first kitty, run! $119 grain cars. Check it out. How cool was that BNSF power with our ES44C4 leading a unit of the locomotive with our grain train? I bet he was empty grain going east. There was the BNSF ES44C4. That train here unloads some wheat originates in Hutchinson, Kansas, heads east going to East Dubuque, Illinois. Happened on this Tuesday, 1st day of August, 2023 by Tyler McCully Wide, World of Trains and Transportation YouTube land. I saw that cat was visiting me. He ran toward the tracks, so that cat didn't get hit and run over, so he got out just in time. So the lights were red, so I gave it to Grandpa. There were 119 grain cars. Alright, enough to that. Here's the next video. Roll it.